Did you know that sweet potatoes contain more than 400% of your daily vitamin A requirement in just one serving? This nutrient-packed root vegetable is much more than just a Thanksgiving side dish, it's a true superfood. Sweet potatoes are having a moment, and for a good reason. This vibrant root vegetable is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can transform your health. From improving digestion to boosting your immune system, sweet potatoes are a versatile and affordable superfood that deserves a spot on your plate. In today's video, we're diving into what makes sweet potatoes so special and how they can revolutionize your diet. Despite their nutritional powerhouse status, sweet potatoes are often misunderstood. Misconception number 1. Many people think they're unhealthy because of their sweetness or associate them only with sugary casseroles. Misconception number 2. Sweet potatoes are often overlooked as a boring side dish, rather than a key ingredient in balanced meals. As a result, they're not used to their full potential in everyday diets. But the truth is, sweet potatoes are one of the healthiest and most versatile foods you can eat. Let's tackle these misconceptions and uncover why they deserve to be a staple in your kitchen. Let's dive into the surprising health benefits of sweet potatoes and how you can easily add them to your meals. Rich in vitamins and minerals, sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, which is essential for eye health, immune support, and healthy skin. They're also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and manganese, supporting overall well-being. High in fiber, the high fiber content helps with digestion and promotes gut health. Whether baked or boiled, sweet potatoes can keep your digestive system running smoothly. Antioxidant powerhouse, sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Low glycemic index. Unlike white potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, making them a better option for managing blood sugar levels. They're a great choice for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain steady energy levels. Versatility. In cooking, sweet potatoes aren't just for casseroles or fries. You can roast them, mash them, use them in soups, or even turn them into desserts like sweet potato pie. They're a true culinary chameleon. By adding sweet potatoes to your meals, you're not just enhancing the flavor but also supercharging your nutrition. I want to share a story about James, a friend of mine who struggled with low energy and poor digestion for years. He decided to incorporate sweet potatoes into his diet after reading about their health benefits. Within weeks, he noticed a huge difference. His energy levels improved dramatically, thanks to the steady release of carbohydrates. His digestion became more regular, thanks to the fiber content. And his doctor even noticed improvements in his vitamin A levels during his next checkup. James now swears by sweet potatoes as a staple in his diet, and it's a perfect example of how a small change can have a big impact. Sweet potatoes are more than just a side dish. They're a superfood packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that can support your health in countless ways. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, boost your immune system, or simply enjoy delicious and nutritious meals, sweet potatoes are a perfect addition to your diet. And the best part? They're easy to cook and incredibly versatile. What's your favorite way to enjoy sweet potatoes? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your recipe ideas. And don't forget to check out my next video for more tips on eating healthy and living your best life. See you there.